how to embed link in Notion. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to embed a link in Notion so you can easily connect your pages with external resources. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, go to Notion, and log in. If you prefer a quick login, click Continue with Google and choose your account. Once you're in your workspace, open the page where you want to add the link. Click on an empty spot, type /embed, and select Embed from the menu that appears. Paste the URL you want to embed. This could be a video, article, or website, and click Embed Link. Notion will instantly display a preview of that content right on your page. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a link into Notion. It's a simple way to keep your resources connected and your workspace more dynamic. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.